Okay, for this week I'm going to talk about dihybrid crosses. This relates to genetics in chapter 14 and 15. So dihybrid crosses are when you're crossing alleles and you have two of them. So we're used to and crossing these, and we get 4 outcomes. Well, this time, what if we had two different genes? If we had, let's say, A and B, all the possibilities that we can come up with that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do B and W, where big B is black fur, little b, brown fur, large W, the fur will be wavy, little w, the fur will be straight. Okay, so let's say we had two parents. The father's genotype is big B, large W, little w. While the mother's is big B, little w, little w. From here, let's make all of our combinations. So we can have big B, large W. You only take one from each type. So you cross the first one with the first B with the first W, then the first B with the second W. So that way we get big B, little w. Now I do this again for the second B. Big B, big W, big B, little w. As you can see, we have duplicates. So for this, we'll end up being able to do the long form and a short form and just multiplying it by the difference. And you'll understand that more as we go through. So now I'll do it for the mothers. We have big B, little w, big B, little w. Now with the little b, little b, little w, little b, little w. So these are all of our possibilities, again, with two duplicates for the mother as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cross all of these. So if we take it and take all of our options from the father, and then all of our options from the mother, and we cross these two. This is what is called a Punnett square. So from here we get big B, big W, little w in this top corner. And we can just follow that through. So big B, little w, big B, large W, small w, big B, little w, and then I'm just going to copy this through for all of our crosses and our genotypes. So now I have big B crossed with little b, so you get big B, little b, big W, little w, big, little w, big B, little b, big W, little w. And then big B, little w, little w. Big, 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 little. Big, big, little, little. Big, 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 little. And then big, big, little, little. And then in our last row, big, little, big, little, big, little, 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 big, little, big, little, big, little, little, little. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to color coordinate each of our options. So every time I see two large B's, a big W, and a little w, I'm going to highlight that red. So we have it again here, 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 here. Green is going to be the two big B's and two little W's. Oh, made a mistake. Going to, oh, okay, well that's gonna get removed. I accidentally highlighted too many. Oh no, those can both be removed. I'll just erase them down here. And that one's removed. Okay. Okay. So big B, little W's are green. I don't think I'm missing any. Okay, then I'll do the alternating, the big B, the little b, the big W, and the little w will be blue. And then the last one, I'll just have it be black. So the last one's big B, little b, and then two little W's. Okay, so as you can see, I'll circle it in blue. This could have been our shortcut because these four just repeated here. So since these are the only four different possibilities of this dihybrid that we could get, what you can do is you can just do a Punnett square of these four and then know that it would multiply by 4. So if we're doing our frequencies, then big B, little W's, big B, little b, big W, little w, big B, little W's. So for each of these, there's 4 or 25%. Okay, so then going back and now we'd be deciding the phenotypes of each one. This would be, so the large B, if we go back, that's black fur. So large B is present twice, which means obviously that's homozygous for the dominant allele of black fur. and then we're heterozygous, but the dominant one will show. So we have black, wavy fur. Our next one, big B, little w, we would have black, straight fur. For big B, little b, large W, small w. Now we're heterozygous for the dominant gene, so it's still going to be black. And it's going to be wavy. And then big B, little b, W. W is going to give us black, straight. And that is how to do a dihybrid cross and use a Punnett square.